You're a leverage nation, I don't know. You know the keys. Go on. Give him a little simple show, you know. So we are going out here.
The leverage. Like the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Alright, so leverage nation, like I'm telling you, say. We're then on Airbnb. I'm going to show you the Airbnb stay quick before we go up on the road again, you see me? So this is our living room, obviously. We have the TV, we have the sofa, you know, so we're organized up on the things that are going chaka, but we are fixed up before we left. Let's show you where we are going, because we have to do it, you know? So, up on the area, man, them have them nice little table, you see me? And the fridge. Nice fridge, you see me? Yeah, man, them have the freezer. No fridge go already. Them have the freezer part already. And thing on the sink and them thing then. Microwave. Quick little run through it, say. One of them bathroom. Oh shit. Yo, but yeah man, shower. No, you know like the shower, so the shower you come with the shampoo, body wash and conditioner. You see me come close and let them see what I go on, man. See it there? Shampoo, conditioner, shower head them, you see me? Yeah. You see me? Alright here, so them provide the towel and everything, you see me? So it's door you lead to the kitchen, door you lead to the master bedroom. So yeah. See there? People that see what I sort out this, I know anything about this show. Rather this. No, I'm gonna show you it go. Nice little painting over there, so you see me? Night table. You have two different ones. Nice man, glass and everything and everything, yeah. So over here, TV, nice. How much is this? 40-inch? Nice little TV man. So in here now, them have other room where you can actually pull out right so and get another bed if you know somebody can sleep right so and down here so. You see me? And this is just this is other room lead to the you know you have here. Chaka boy. Yeah man, you know a leverage man, you see me? Mirror if you want to look for yourself in here, so it's just the closet / laundry room. So that are basically all of the Airbnb people them have for themselves when I like it. Look at it, not everybody see this. Nice little shell, you see me? And they have them wooden thing over there so. Yeah man. Like them thing man. I survived the Dust Bowl, 1935. No one read book. Nice little New York Times that is in it. So basically that is it. And we're gonna left out soon. So you know. You can check it out. Them say at least 4 people can in there so. And them work with people. So yeah man. You know everything. Just check out and see. We're gonna go up our way for the fishing, right? Yeah. That is it. Data leverage. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Leverage. One of them dry up. Dried up a whole heap of them in there, you know. Sweet sap. Them have sour sap. Well on, I mix them up. A sweet sap or sour sap them here? Sweet sap. Okay. Sweet sap trees man. Holy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy pa. What's up, man? Oh, you see one? That not good? Yeah, I think you can't make that jump, you know?
No.
Yeah, man, that right, man.
No, that job already. I didn't see that job.
And to just put, you can put it between me and pulley. Me have to teach him how to teeth.
Put up between and two.
Put between in line, make it chop through in line.
Get up. Can't go between the line. You will just need to stick it.
You can't do it, pass it.
There's no bother block you ready now? Oh.
He's a weak ass.
Every.
Here, what?
Take a bit, take a bit.
You want me to show you, no? Just use the opposite side.
Take a bit. Toothbrush? No, take a bit toothbrush. Toothbrush? Look, every. Toothbrush? Take a bit toothbrush. You may have to eye, they want to find rod.
Yes, that's why. Use up, use the opposite side.
Toothbrush?
Watch your hook.
Yeah.
And just use the opposite side.
If the opposite side too light.
I thought so.
No, like it light, like we can't manage it rather go bend up in my hand down there so.
Remember this?
But then gonna need to move, man.
Remember this?
Why, you should check
Not
too
sure
much.
nothing.
No, need to move so I can't kill you.
Not sure it, not sure it, not sure it, not sure
You
it.
mean that
Every
you-
come, every.
People around. Early.
Move, come. I want it open.
One sea salt.
Over.
Yeah, pulley. Somebody with sense.
You pick it right, you know? Right. It bust your fuck, you right.
That's right, man.
And look how
Smell
they
it,
get
sense.
on job. That's why they turn for the right, you know. Right, the two then drive on a job. They not turn up there and they pull right.
Benny, I want left heavy, you know.
No, because you see when I'm pick, so it look just like that, you know, right? Pick one and...
Green still, but the bus. That is it.
Let me see you just lead up as up on the people clock.
Free money, dog.
Hey! Just lead. You ain't got I don't report it to higher management yet. And they will have an headphone for the ears and know say now work on so damn fool. What's up them, you know?
Hollywood Beach, a dead person, a little girl backpack. What the fuck going on here, so?
Yeah, I just have food real quick, so I go on the road, so reach on the
Okay, machine now,
fishing
we don't
spot,
have
you
it
see me?
on
Swim round spot. You know.
Oh.
Stop and I get some more ice on a different location. So don't get tired. That's it. There, man. Yes, sorry. Yeah, do?
We can't put some them. Do ice again this?
Yeah?
Do like ice again this?
Oh, I don't know. You can go and rest in the bucket and take, I don't know. Until you reach.
I reckon I bucket to reach.
More than that. Yeah, man, so now we are going to the fishing spot, you know? Next. And we are still we are going, you know? You know, leverage nation. Right now. Just go and enjoy the vibes. You know? A little bit for the area. And for gas station. We're out and about, man. Out and about.
Yeah, but somebody's doing it. Show it back in there. I just sit here and I'm show it back there. I'm gonna show you this on the side.
Man, them a build the roof with the grass there, so. Alright. Yeah, so guys, welcome back. We are parked in Key West near Gulf of America. Yeah. And carrying the stuff again. People fishing down there and walking over there, so we're gonna find a spot and then check in, you know? Yeah, so watch where I go. Maybe we're not go too far, but you know, see where I go, you know? Yeah.
What? Look at the chair.
Alright, that's all we have there?
What you mean?
Kaya na sit there on them. Nano, ayan na. Come Avery. Here, baby.
Yeah, so we are set up shop here now. So we are going.
Avery, come.
Yeah, man, so check in and see where I go.
I'm in a safe in
Never here.
That's how they need it, though.
You remember, brother?
That's how they need it, man.
Move all the bag here.
Yeah. Alright, just say it. Alright, just say it. Just say it. It's very easy if you pull up too far. See what? Let me see that.
Avery.
Cold, yeah, cold.
Here, camera. No. Come Avery.
Yo, she's serious that she get something, you know. Serious that she get something and she hook on something. Yo, me say, the woman there over there, so serious that fish catching and she hook up on one sitting over there.
That's my
Yeah.
penny.
Yeah, so.
My jaggy and say, yes, it's penny.
This is cool. Oh! Yeah, man. Oh, shit. Where you say I'm going there? Give me a fling out there. Give me a fling out there, damn. Give me a fling out there. Out! That it is. So stay tuned, leverage. Stay tuned, leverage nation, and see where I go on, you know? See where we go on, we'll catch out here. Sit, man.
Oh, yeah.
Sitting there on it. We'll see where you catch. First small ground.
First catch of the day.
First catch of the day.
Yeah.
Shit pan you. That's a good luck.
That shit in a pool. What the fuck? Seems to be answered.
They say a dry fry and then people in the sweet nothing, you know.
Two sides separate rounds.
Yeah, just right here and make up a one can enough drop it over there. So.
Why need special people?
When you drop it right there, some people are walk past. Watch it, we have no make that thing. We want people see it.
Like, you don't get something.
I thought that you would have gotten older and more sensitive. But all you have gotten is older.
Huh?
You're not using that big?
I'm gonna use it.
Let it back.
Yeah.
Wednesday?
If you're not use the big fish.
I want to go put this in there eating.
Not the worst. The time is the kids sitting in the house now, boy. You know, kids not need. I will go and hold it like that.
Well, like you say, get another smallers. So you come on slow out there so far, but you don't know a thing go.
I know I'll be a team.
Bait him up, yes. Bait him. Yeah, oh, I never live baited that though?
Yeah, cut him up.
Oh.
here, same way in a leverage nation. I don't know a thing going on. Do the right thing, you know. Chilling. So go and enjoy the nice little, you know. So do I move? Got him to send him back out. So we can catch with this here. Was flinging that one there out, yeah man. And see where I catch because I don't know. Oh. Right. See what we catch. Yeah, leverage nation, I don't know. You know the keys. Go on. Give him a little simple show, you know. So we are going out here.
You see them a feed on the wall, so you know when they are mostly for
Nothing man, why fish them quiet right now, but they are going to wait start. You know where the hell are going.
you see what snapper is doing
Joke thing. So they are going to wait man, look how the wave run far man. Right next to the highway. Woo! The people in my fish there. Let's see man, we don't know man. We're trying to catch something man, but you know they said patience is the key for fishing, you know, so we have patience and see what we catch. Out here at the new spot second day, I don't know, so I just too little grunt to. You see me, them say they want dry sure, so them keep on for dry, fried dry. But the other one, I don't know, so them use it as bait, so yeah, just to see where I go on man, and I take you know I go on here. So remember, just there man. Go on easy man, you see me and chill it out. Chill it out. Beautiful man.
Yeah, you think a joking them doesn't, they might put on the wall apart. See this one them doesn't.
for them there, leverage nation. Right, that's it. All of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop him down right now. Drop him down and hopefully make it something, you know? Them there right as that. Come here. Boy. You have to come right as well. Yo, come here, sir. No? Come here, sir. They close, man. What's your leverage nation? Brother. You there, get it? Gone with it, leverage nation. Let's see you are going. John, try again. Right after we are close out.
Yeah, one more this.
Yeah. What that be?
Mangrove.
Mangrove?
Yeah.
Snapper?
Yeah, man.
Alright, that is it.
That is it.
Still, I see still get a couple bites and thing, but nothing really too tough today, but so I get a bite, a wicked bite in it right now. But yeah, was a good day overall. I don't know a leverage guy, isn't it? Out here, man. Soon wrap it up, so always remember to do the right thing, like, comment, share and subscribe, and you know the leverage. Out here, man. It's people them there out there come in and take picture. Yeah. So out here I go on easy, man. I go on thing, you know? Wrap it up right now. Leverage nation. People them are coming more, but we have to go back so way up in a Fort Lauderdale, about 3.5 hour drive or so. Yeah, man. That, man. I catch the most from yesterday, so. That, man. Lucky. Damn, tell them howdy.
Leverageboss TV. Go on.
Yeah, great.
Bye, guys.
Leverage.